we have the navigation links, but they don't take us anywhere. So let's make them clickable so that we can take user to the corresponding pages, right? So back here, we need to first bring in link component from React Router DOM. Import link. Make sure to destructure like this, okay? Because it depends on the package. If they have export default, then you can import like that. But if they don't have the default export and instead they have multiple exports, you have to destructure like that. So import link from React Router DOM. All right. Now we can use that. For example, here in the link, here in the home. So home, we want to use link component, right home here. So when this link is clicked, we use the to, just like in the HTML, you have a anchor tag and it has href, something like that. In React Router DOM, we have this link similar to a, and then it has to instead of href. So slash home, / that's home. Let me actually copy this one. For register, that's going to be / register path, and for login, that's going to be login path. All right, because these paths have already been declared and used in the app previously, but previously we had to manually type in the URL bar here, but now we have added links to these nav items. Now let's give it a try. On home, we are here in the home, you can see. On login, we are in the login, and here in the register. Let's make sure we change that. Let's change that to register. Perfect. Login, register, home. You can see our app is taking shape, right? So we have Bootstrap CSS ready to use to create beautiful responsive layout. We have already used the design navigation, the menu component. Now, before we do anything further, we need to sign up to Firebase because we're going to implement registration and login, right? So that is the entry point for our application. Before we do anything, we need to implement login and registration so that our user can log in, and that user will be admin. So admin will log in and start creating products so that we can show the products in our homepage, right? So that's how we're going to work. So that means we're going to go sign up to Firebase and get all the credentials so that we can implement Firebase authentication. Let's continue that in the next lecture.